Hey, this will be a video chart on EGOC. Before I get started, big congratulations to Kay Hallis from InvestorsHub.com. This poster was telling me about this one multiple times, asking me to do the chart, and I was just busy, but basically he was alerting everybody to it right around this area here before today's big move. So good job to him or her, and I should have listened, but oh well. So moving on to the chart here, what we're looking at is a 60-minute chart. So all that means, if you're not familiar with charting, is instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action or 1 week's worth of price action, each one simply represents 60 minutes. And the reason I wanted to do this time frame, just because the daily chart, if we pull it up here real quick, really doesn't tell us much besides price moved, consolidated, and went upwards. But after that, it gets kind of hard to see what sort of price action we want to see, since price is basically up here in blue sky territory. So coming back down to the 60-minute chart, it does give us a little bit better idea and better capability to kind of break down and analyze what's going on here in the chart. So just real quick, a little chart lesson. You can see that the volume was dead, and the volume looked like this for a long time. If we squeeze up the chart, you can see that going way back, the chart basically wasn't getting any action. And then here you saw volume creep up, and the price got up here above this 50-period simple moving average, which is that purple line right there. So keep your eye on that line. So we had this big volume, price got above it, another big volume, so this was kind of like secondary confirmation to the first big volume day. And then from there, made some high moves up, and every time it would pull back, you can see right where it would find support. And then finally today, after this multiple day consolidation, price broke out, confirmed by big volume, and as you can see, increasing volume with these 3 bars. And now it's has been consolidating a little bit here in the latter portions of the day, but just a good little example of some volume coming in, locating the support, and then as you can see, basically 3 times, once, twice, 3 times, the price came down, tested this 50-period simple moving average, and is held upwards. So where are the support levels? Well, the first key level, an ideal level, meaning ideally this would be great if it could hold, but if it doesn't, don't go freak out or anything like that, is going to be right here. And I'm leaving this line skinny to represent it being a support, but at the same time, I'm not a muscled one, and that's at 0.0026. The next level of support is going to be right down here where these previous highs were. So you can see a good example of resistances turning into support, and that level is at 0.002. Going to make this line a little bit thicker because it is a little bit more important, but at the end of the day, hopefully you've already figured this out, but the must-hold support level is right here, the 50-period simple moving average. And just based on the history, as long as the price can continue to hold above that, then this chart's going to remain in a nice little uptrend and keep on looking strong. In terms of resistance levels, really, the only one that I see is 0.0035 here. And then after that, the chart's back into blue sky breakout territory. So from the resistance standpoint, pretty cut and dry. 0.0035 is going to be the key level you want to keep your eyes on. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards on to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was EGOC. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.